Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. And in this video, we're gonna explore a problem in Leetcode, so which is named Fibonacci number. And if you're not aware of Fibonacci sequence, it's something starts with 0 and 1, and each number in that will be the sum of two preceding ones. So you can see this line here. So let me explain the Fibonacci sequence here. So here it starts with 0 and 1, and the third number will be the sum of preceding ones, like a sum of these two numbers, which will be 1 again, and the fourth number will be like a sum of these two numbers, which will be 2, and the fifth number will be 3, which is sum of 2, like a sum of 2 and 1, and then the sum of 2 and 3 will be 5. So then 8, then 13. It will be it will be go on like that. So it's the Fibonacci sequence. So we have to return the nth Fibonacci number. Okay, if the n is 5, we can just return 3, because the fifth Fibonacci number is 3. Okay, so this is how it works. So we can just give like a comment here, and we are just maintaining two variables which are 0 and 1 initially. So initially set to 0 and 1. So let me do that. It starts with 0, and we are having, so sorry about that, we are having 1 here. Okay, so it starts with 0 and 1, and we are having up to 13. Okay, it just goes on. So we can just do this. So we are just maintaining these two variables, which are I and j. So I is set to 0 initially, and j is set to 1 initially, and we are having the for loop here. So for I in range, like a for da underscore in range, we are iterating through n, and we are just changing those I and j to j and I plus j. So we are just changing the I to j, which is I to j. So j is 1, and we are just changing the j to 1, this one. Okay, here. Okay, so this one is the result of sum of these two. Okay, so this is how it works. So result of sum of these two means I plus j. Okay, uh, we are just iterating like this. First we are having 0 and 1, and we are having 1 and 1, and we are having 1 and 2. So until the n iteration, like we are just iterating through n times, and we are at the last of the loop, like at the last loop, the I and j will be this. So we are just returning the I, which is the nth number, which will be the nth number after n iterations. Okay, we can just return I here. So it will be the nth Fibonacci number as desired. So let me run the code. So it just passed the test cases. So we can submit it to test all the test cases. Yeah, we passed all the test cases. So this is how this problem works. So we are having these two variables here, I and j. We are just initializing it to 0 and 1, from which the Fibonacci sequence starts, and we are just changing these two variables into these two variables, like setting the I to, changing the I to j, and changing the j to I plus j. So likewise we move on like this. So after this it will be this. So after n iterations, the I and j will be this. If the n stops here, so we can just return the I, because it will be the nth number. So we can just return. We are not storing anything in the inside the list or something. So we are not storing the sequence of Fibonacci number. We are not just taking that space extra. So we are just using constant space, and we can just we are just using linear time, like we are just doing n iterations, so it's linear time. So yeah, this is how it works. So if you have any suggestions, you can let me know in comments. and the code you see in the screen will be in my GitHub page, and link for that will be in my description. Check it out, and check out my other playlist too, in which I'll be doing like Leetcode problems and Google interview problems like that, and data structure videos. So check it out, and thanks for watching. Bye.